mo kasam. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo.
Bakit?
Lagi kang maganda. Ayaw ko nagpipiksugin.
Paano ako naging maganda? Hindi naman ako nag-makeup. Ha? Come on. Ayan, diyan ka kasi mayroong music dyan, no? Wow! Kasi may music. Ayan. Come on. Show your beauty. Oh! Ang galing. Doon ka, banda. Para makita ka doon, oh. Makita yung nasa likuran mo. Ayan. Okay. Wow. Beauty, beauty. Pauwi na sana ako kasi ang bigat na ng binili ko. Mabigat na. Nag-shopping ako sa Iceland.
Hindi ba siya? You do not like sugar daddy?
Hoy, bakit ka nagsalita ng ganyan? Ba't mo ako bigyan ng sugar daddy?
Bibigyan siya kasi ayaw mo naman eh.
Bakit meron kang...
May kotse.
And then?
Eh wala ka namang kotse kaya na tinutulungan kita. Baka ayaw mo magsakay ng bus, ka ng black hole. Mag-flirt ka, flirt. You know, flirt. Mag-ano ako kunwari.
Oh.
Gusto mo siya pero hindi.
Ganon.
Flirt, flirt.
You want me to flirt?
Yeah, flirt, right?
Why?
Kasi if you don't like to go to ride the boat, you need to sugar daddy. You kind of do. We go to put a day out in Blackpool.
Okay. We go
Yeah.
down there, darling. We go down there. Kasi para you will chat with your family, okay? Look at that Lindell shoe. Oh my dear. Always very smart. She's encouraging me to have sugar daddy.
Kaya ko, kotse oh.
Where?
Naantay ka.
Oh my God, my friend is encouraging me to have sugar daddy. Okay, you stay there because I will contact your family and they will be seeing you. You want to chat with them? Okay. Okay, sandali lang ha. I'll put my bag kasi it's too heavy. Could you hold this one and then para makita naman ako sa camera?
Ilang kotse niya, guy.
Alin?
Eh, sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy? Ano? Sugar daddy? Kaninong sugar daddy yan?
Wala siya sugar daddy.
Wala.
Kaya nga, nire-recommend ko siya. Ayaw mo naman eh. Sige lang, kaya mo.
Sige, bayan na.
Kaya, we go to Italian bowling, ako magbayad. We go,
Uy, ba't mo ko bigyan ng sugar daddy?
Teka muna, punta tayo doon, oh.
Saan?
Next week.
Next week? Sige, magbuling tayo.
Oo, kaya lang si Chato ayaw magbayad. Ikaw pa magbayad.
No. Chato is paying yourself.
Yeah. Next week, we go there.
Okay.
Do not let you down, alright?
Why?
We go to 12
Yeah.
next week.
Okay.
I thank you.
No, kikibi tayo,
Okay.
kanya-kanya. Oo. Okay, sandali, I'll call your family. Oh, come on, you say something to your family. Ilagay ko muna itong bag ko kasi marami na akong binili. Nag-shopping ako. Look at that, pambahay eh. Shopping. Okay. Sige, come on, say something to your family. I-live ko muna. Live.